Here's a cage that protects the unit from vandalism. It's got its own master lock. It's got an opening in the back for some visibility, and as you can see, they have it somewhat elevated to in case of snow. It snows in our area over here, but not very much, so we don't have to lift it up that high. It's got treated wood, and everything is sealed to protect it from the weather. Here's the unit. It's almost complete. We have the electricity connected, the refrigerant piping. It's sleeved and sealed so that air won't go in and cause fire to expand. And here we are. We're pulling vacuum on the unit. You can see over here we're about 301. It's still going down. It's starting to stabilize now at 300 microns. And so what we do is we do this 3 times. We perform vacuum below 500 microns, sometimes below 300, depending on the situation. In this particular case, it's easy to pull it on this unit, so we pull it below 300, maybe below 200, and then we pressurize it to 0 with nitrogen, and then we do the same thing 3 times. This way you get a system that's going to run a long time without any problems. So this helps your longevity. And here's the unit completed. You can see the vane is moving up and down to direct air, and when it's in a horizontal position, extreme horizontal position, it will blow the air further out. So if you have any questions, you need something like this for your business, home, or establishment, please call us 973-777-2932. Thank you for watching.